Welcome guys to Andres' Road to Sample Size. This is week 2. Excited to have you guys here. Tune in. All right, we're here. Day 1 meal delivery from Clean LA. Let's see what we got. I think I have 3 days worth of food. So they deliver this thing at in the late night. If you live in a building, you gotta give them your key. Packed with ice and goodies. All right, so we have, doesn't say what it is, but they do send you an email of what it is. It actually looks pretty good. Chicken and breakfast, eggs, zucchini, tomato. See you. Something else. Meal 2, it's like chicken and mushrooms. Meal 3, I don't know what this is either. Can't tell. Yogurt, love yogurt. I think it's yogurt at least. Something that looks healthy. I don't know what this is either. Ooh, ground beef favorite. I have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is for 3 days of food, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Day 1, Clean LA, meal delivery vibes. Let's go. All right, we're gonna go to Orange Theory, day 1, Jan 10. I'm a little tired right now, but it's about to hit 8 p.m. About to hit that last class at Orange Theory. Let's go. First day. Diet so far is pretty good. I'm actually pretty lightheaded because I'm hungry. So this should be exciting. Let's do it. It is 8 in the morning. I'm actually gonna go on a hike to Runyon today. We're doing a double workout. Andres Road to Sample Size. Let's go. I'm on my way to hike Runyon with Cassandra, and she told me to apply this.
SPF.
Makeup. So.
SPF. You gotta stay protected.
This is the
Stay protected.
like this? The Spanglish version, because this is going on Andres Road to Sample Size. Oye papi. All mediums, all vibes. I don't think I've done running in 10 years, and I just did Orange Theory 2 days in a row, and for some reason it was legs day 2 days in a row, and my quads are killing me.
Cero excusa.
Andres' Road to Sample Size. We're here at Runyon. Feeling much better now, actually. See if I make it to the top. But way up. No, behind the scenes content.
Oye papi.
Oye papi! Let's get it. I don't know about this one. All right, reached 1 milestone. Got to fade. Didn't realize 53 degrees LA. On top of mountains, hot as sweat in my eyes, sweat everywhere. We got old ass millennial here, Cassandra KG, trying to figure out that little feature on Instagram where you go like dun 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 dun. You know that annoying one that all these people do? All those annoying ones. Yeah, I'm talking to all you. Call me Yogurt Baby. Oh. So we just completed week 1 of Andres' Road to Sample Size. Very happy to announce that I lost 9 pounds. I'm at 219 as of this morning.
All right, guys, we are live after 1 week of this epic weight loss challenge. Let's see how much weight he lost.
You read that?
Whoa, is that
Read that?
9 pounds?
9 pounds, baby.
9 pounds? I don't believe it.
Von Dinner looking more like Von Snack. Pretty strict on this diet. I did slightly cheat, but it was like okay. Substituted some protein because I was out and I only ate protein. Actually, I did cheat, but I substituted for like a chicken and a little
Would you
piece
get
of
pizza?
shrimp. No, a small piece of chicken and shrimp just because I was out with my family. Beyond that, I did cheat a little bit on the alcohol, so my guess is I could have probably hit my goal of 10 pounds by the end of January. I could have probably hit it by today, but you know, whatever. You still gotta live. I should be accomplishing my goal of the 10 pounds in the next day or 2. I think, once you start seeing results and you start actually winning, it becomes pretty motivating. So when I've gone out, I haven't actually been tempted to like eat anything. So meaning to cheat and all that stuff. Obviously, I love food more than anything. Once you start seeing the results, it becomes pretty addicting. So it's been pretty good. And then in terms of the workouts, once you get into the flow of it, the first week was really hard and your body is sore.
Did you work out?
I worked out 4 6 days.
And what'd you work out?
Berries boot camp once, Runyon Canyon once, Orange Theory 4 times. So I only took 1 day off.
Orange Julius or Orange Theory? All right, that's an impressive week. He almost beat the whole challenge of the month already. But now you gotta maintain it. Looks like that party's coming soon, January 31st, and the discount.
Or even sooner. Now I got into the swing of things. I took a day off, needed some rest. I'm going 5 days in a row this week, then probably gonna take the weekend off. Or probably do something on the weekend just to like keep it flowing, but nothing intense like the Orange Theory berries. So yeah, I'm excited for the next week ahead. Thank you, Clean LA, for the great food, and Orange Theory and berries. And let's go.